In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Kubernetes cluster inside of GCP. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your organization like you normally would. Now from here, you should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the navigation menu and go down to where it says Kubernetes Engine right here. From here, you'll simply need to click Overview, and then this page should be popping up with the Kubernetes Engine API. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Enable, and then from here, you'll need to wait until it has been enabled. And that can take approximately a couple seconds to a couple minutes, depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is. Once you've done that, you'll also need to verify that billing is enabled for your Google Cloud project, or else this will not work. From here, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the cluster section over here in the menu. And once you're inside of here, you'll simply need to go over and click Create Cluster or a Kubernetes Cluster. From here, you'll be able to see this right here, where I can create a cluster, and you can choose between the autopilot Google Manage Your Cluster, which is recommended, or you can manage yourself your cluster. From here, you can also choose the GCP or other clouds if you want to do that. From here, you'll simply need to go over to the autopilot and click Configure. Once you're inside of here, it should be looking something like this. And now you can see a tutorial will pop up if it's the first time you've done it. Then from here, you'll simply add a name for it, and you can choose the specific name however you see fit, and change the region to the specific region that you are in. From here, you can choose the fleet registration, where I can register cluster to a specific fleet if you want to do that. And you can add the network where I can access using DNSs. You can enable authorized networks if you want to do that, and change all of these different information like right here. Once you're here, you can also choose the advanced settings if you want to do that, and change that if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to click Review and Create. And now you'll be able to see the entire review of what the cluster will look like. From here, you can just click Create Cluster, and then from here, you'll have created your first Kubernetes cluster inside of GCP. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!